Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a certified holistic nutritionist. It's this time of year again. You see so many chocolate recipes everywhere every day, and you're about to see another one with me. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy and delicious gut health supporting chocolate pudding with avocado and banana, and of course our Koso. Avocados are rich in many nutrients, including fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. You can get healthy fat, vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, and folate. Avocados are also a source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds like vitamin C, vitamin E, and lutein. Bananas contain resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that you can digest but your gut bacteria can. They use this as a source of energy. Raw cacao, which is unroasted cacao powder, contains high amount of antioxidant and minerals such as iron, magnesium, and potassium, and lots of fiber. This gut-supporting chocolate pudding contains about a half for women, 1/3 for men of USDA's recommended daily amount of fiber. All you need is 2 tablespoons of our Koso, 1 medium avocado, 1 medium banana, 1/4 cup of cacao powder, pinch of salt. Put everything except salt into the blender and blend until smooth. You can add honey, maple syrup, or dates to add more sweetness to it. If it doesn't blend well, you can add a little bit water or any plant milk or milk. When it's nice and smooth, transfer it to containers and keep in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. When you serve, add a pinch of sea salt. And enjoy! I'm sure you love it.